In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to enable or disable YouTube's Incognito Mode. This mode is great for times when you want to watch content without affecting your recommendations or search history. It's also helpful if you don't want others to see what you've watched or searched for in the YouTube app. First, open the YouTube app and make sure you're logged into your account. Head over to the Library section where you'll see your playlists, watch history, and other account details. Below your YouTube name and profile picture, you'll find an option that says Turn on Incognito. Tap that button, and a message will pop up on your screen. The message explains that when you turn off Incognito Mode, all activity from your session will be cleared. This means anything you watch or search for won't be saved on your account. However, keep in mind that your activity may still be visible to your employer, school, or internet provider. Now, you've successfully enabled Incognito Mode, and you can enjoy watching YouTube anonymously. If you'd like to turn off Incognito Mode, simply go back to the Library section and tap on Turn Off Incognito. That's it! You've now learned how to easily enable or disable Incognito Mode and browse YouTube anonymously. For more YouTube tutorials, be sure to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you soon!